Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, May 15th, and I'm going to walk you through today's activities. In math, first up we have Money Toothy, and today it's on mixed coins. So it's just a little bit different than Monday where all the coins were the same. You're going to see mixed amounts today. And remember to begin to click on the picture over here and click View Google Doc. And then to start, make sure you click Present. Okay, and then you can start playing. What I would do is I would probably, if we were doing this in the classroom, I would probably have you use your whiteboards and your dry erase markers. I know you probably don't have those at home, so I would encourage you to use a pencil and a scrap piece of paper, maybe from your spiral, and draw the coins out and put the hairs on the coins. You can see there's 2 quarters here. Whoops, sorry about that. One here, 2 dimes, a nickel, and a penny. So I would put them in order from greatest amount to least. Add your hairs and then count the money up and then select the correct answer. And the correct answer is 76 cents. And you'll get a tooth on your donkey. And then you can go to the next slide. Okay? So I do encourage you to use a scrap piece of paper today because that'll help you out. Okay? You can click Add Response when you're done and just type done or tell me that you did it today so I know that you have that complete. Looking back at the calendar for writing, it's just finishing up our writing from yesterday. If you're struggling with the writing, make sure you watch Mrs. Sanders' video. She does a really, really great job to help you with your writing today. For grammar, we have boom cards. I know we played this once before. Again, you have to click on the picture over here and it'll take you right to the boom cards. And what I like about boom cards is that if you click on the speaker button, it will read the sentence for you. Okay? So this one says, they blank on the same street. They live or they lives on the same street. The correct answer is live. And it'll ding if you get it right, and it'll go to the next slide. Okay? When you finish that, just click Add Response, and you can type in done and tell me that you did it. And then the last thing we have today is just read a story and answer questions in Raz-Kids. So pretty easy day for you. If you didn't get your reflex in at least twice this week, today would probably be a really easy day to go ahead and make that up. That's all we have for today, guys.